So hello everyone, I just woke up by the way. This is Rodel and welcome to my daily vlog. For today's video, I show you a part of my life, and that's part of my family. So let's go! I usually spend my time playing with my nieces and nephews, playing my phone, teasing my mother, and drinking coffee. Hashtag coffee is life.
Oh, how are you?
I'm okay. Is your duty done?
Yes. Where's mom?
I think she's in the bedroom.
Can you make me some coffee, please?
Okay, wait a second.
Dito,
Here, kuya.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, kuya.
How you studying going?
Some subjects are hard, but I can manage, kuya.
Yeah, just don't give up. Keep at it and study harder. Don't be hard on yourself. It's okay to fail sometimes. It's part of life. Don't give up.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I also ask Ate for help sometimes.
That's good.
Sometimes I talk with my papa, though he's not with us anymore. His teaching will remain in our hearts forever. And that's all for today, everyone. Again, this is Rodel, and have a good day. Hello, everyone. I just woke up by the way. I'm Rodel.
Guyod ba dyan?